Hey guys, this is Yashwant aka Monster and I'm from BSc MBCS 3A.
Hi, this is Joyce Selvaraj from BA.
Hi, I'm Sanjana from BA Final Year.
I'm Patricia from BBA section.
Hello guys, this is Lakshman.
Hi, this is Kruti from BA3.
My name is Mohammad Junaid Khadri. I'm from BSc Life Sciences 3rd year.
Hey, this is Sushma from BA Final Year.
Hi everyone, I'm Shanaz from BA Mass Comm.
My name is Happiness Kabir.
Hi everyone, this is Kanaka from BA Final Year.
Hi guys, my name is Rajiv Sonti and I'm from BSc MBC 3rd year.
Hi, my name is Bhavna from BA 3rd year.
Myself Shrija and I am from BSc MECS.
This is Khaza. I am in BA Final Year.
This is Ritika from BSc Statistics.
My first day in college was actually exciting. It was interesting because I made so many friends on the very first day. In the beginning I was a little bit anxious because new place, new school, new everything. But then when I got to the class, everyone was just so accommodating and they made it easy for me. It was awesome.
I was very nervous because I was new to the city, new to the college. So it was really strange. There was no known faces in the crowd. So I was very nervous.
My first day in college was very embarrassing. I was very nervous because I had no friends and I was new to the college.
भाई मेरा फर्स्ट डे इन कॉलेज बहुत एक्साइटेड था क्योंकि ज़िंदगी का नया सफ़र शुरू होने वाला है. अपन मस्त कपड़े नए कपड़े में तैयार होके आए. नए लोग मिलेंगे, नए दोस्त मिलेंगे, मस्त एंजॉय करेंगे. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट वो बस कॉलेज का बस वो एक ही दिन था जहाँ मैं उतने लेवल ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट के साथ कॉलेज को आया था. फिर कभी आया ही नहीं मैं.
My first day in college was quite nervous because I was late on the first day itself and I was not sure if they'll allow me or where my class would be.
My first day in college was a totally confused and a gloomy one because I didn't know anyone in the college.
First day was like okay type, not bad.
It was good. Koncham nervous and very embarrassing.
I was super excited to meet new friends and basically how will my college life go and all.
Well, my first day was pretty good. I was very confident on my first day and I belong from a school background in class 2, so college was something very new except the assembly part.
It was nice, not that bad at all.
My first day in college, it was boring because I didn't know anyone and I was just in a new place.
वैसे फर्स्ट डे तो उतना एक्साइटिंग नहीं था मेरे लिए. अच्छा था. इट वॉज जस्ट नॉर्मल डे क्योंकि मैं टीचर वाला बच्चा था उस टाइम पे. तो मैं आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट go around teachers and talk to them rather talking to students. उस टाइम पे बहुत नर्ड था.
The first day was so nice. I have introduced so many friends in my college.
Well, I was late even on my first day, so I was usually late to college. And sometimes I'll just beg the security guard, I'll say, please let me in, my attendance is low. Most times it didn't work, but a few times it worked.
Many times I can't count on my fingers actually.
You should ask me how many times did I come early to the college. And I have jumped wall once. Quite adventurous.
I was on time on my first and second years, but not in the third year because I was in the third year.
First and second year I was on time. Final year మొత్తం గేట్ బయటనే.
हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट मेरा अटेंडेंस फर्स्ट ईयर के फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में था 92% और उसके बाद अंटिल फाइनल सेमेस्टर में मैं हमेशा कॉन्डोनेशन भरा हूँ. सो हम लोग हमेशा लेट ही आते थे. और अगर बात आई दीवार कूदने की तो हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे दीवार कूदते थे. ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे.
I can't even count. First and second year, okay, కొన్ని సార్లు, but third year I was almost outside the gate. కానీ ఎప్పుడు జంప్ చేయలే. I still want to.
Every day. Well, in the beginning, it was nice. We were punctual, but later we all know what college does to us, and we couldn't make it on time to college.
I was late almost every day. And I can't really count. Used to wait there, parking gate. If I used to see my friend, oh, nobody late.
Okay, I was late to college every day. Yeah, every day. And I have tried jumping the wall once. I didn't do it. I just tried. And and I understood that I can't do it because the wall was like really huge. So I was scared, so I didn't jump.
I was always late to the college, and when it comes to jumping the wall, if we were in a group of 2 or 3 people, we would definitely jump the wall.
I've never jumped the wall, but I can't say how many times I've come to it because there's so many times that they're just uncountable.
So I was mostly late to the college and waited near the gate but never jumped the wall.
I used to come late every single day, and I used to miss all my first hour classes.
I came late to the college very rarely. I used to come half an hour before the college timings. But whenever I came late to the college, they made me stand near the gate for 2 hours. And I used to roam from this gate to that gate. Uncle, uncle, please, uncle, open the gate.
Oh my god, I love paneer dosa. Paneer dosa is my favorite.
Of course, dude. Paneer dosa. Love Raju bhai.
Paneer dosa or paneer sandwich.
Chai and paneer.
I love paneer dosa for canteen. I will definitely miss that.
Hands down, राजू भैया का पनीर डोसा वो हरदम दी बेस्ट डोसा है यार. इतना मज़ा आता है खाने में, पनीर के छोटे छोटे पीसेस और चाय तो यार.
Paneer puffs and appy.
I would say puri and dosa and samosa and chai. Well, pretty much everything. I liked the canteen.
Paneer sandwich and thumbs up.
Of course, if you're a Bhavanite, you know what Raju Bhaiya's paneer dosa is.
It was paneer dosa. It will always be paneer dosa.
इडली सांभर और पनीर डोसा. शाउट आउट टू माय फ्रेंड दुत्तल. मैं हमेशा उसके पैसे मार के इडली सांभर खाता था.
I loved egg puff. Egg puff was my best because of how it was crunchy and stuff. So
Of course, I remember. How could I forget? It was a little bit, okay, not a little bit. It was a lot of emotions for me on that last day because, you know, goodbyes and all.
According to me, I never got to experience the last day in our college. क्योंकि coronavirus had its own plans. So according to me, nahin. I can't tell you how, I never, got to experience the last day of my college.
Last day? No, I did not even realize that was last day.
Yes, I do remember my last day. It was like any other regular day, and we had an exam, this semester exam. And there was nothing special. We deserved a better last day.
Not exactly, because we had exams and the sudden lockdown thing, so I barely remember.
लास्ट डे इन कॉलेज, हमारा लास्ट डे तो एग्ज़ाम का दिन था. हमको पता भी नहीं था कि लास्ट डे हो सकता था वो. तो अभी तक का लास्ट डे तो वही है.
my last day in college, we had an exam and it was in March this year. And since then we've not yet returned because of the pandemic, and yeah, that was my last day.
I actually don't remember the last day in college.
Not exactly, because we didn't know that was going to be the last day of our college. It's sad how it ended.
Of course, Vivek Bharti, canteen, and my lovely friends.
I think I'll miss our mass comm lab the most. And then I'll miss my friends, our lecturers, my juniors, my batchmates, new block, canteen, everything.
I basically miss everything about college, and most importantly, VB. And dance sessions, fests, friends, juniors.
Of course, my friends. I'll miss my friends and lecturers too.
I miss the whole college, and mostly I miss my mass communication lab and also canteen. These two are my best place, my favorite place.
I'll miss the hugs from my friends. I'll miss my lecturers. I'll miss the food in the canteen. Almost everything.
Dance practice, Vivek Bharti, canteen, my classroom, and my juniors.
I miss everything about the college यार. यार सब बढ़िया था. उस टाइम का यार. I will miss my friends. I will miss my time there, place, energy, experience, everything. I miss everything about the college.
भाई बहुत सारे चीज़ें यार मिस करने के लिए. विवेक भारती कैंटीन में फिर सारे दोस्त अपने डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स के जो भी दोस्त रहते सब मिलके उधर गप्पे शप्पे मारना, इवेंट्स के लिए वेट करना, स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करने का ईगरनेस, बंक मारना, असाइनमेंट सबमिट करना और अटेंडेंस मेंटेन करने का एड्रेनलिन रश। बहुत सारी चीज़ें यार, बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिस करने के लिए।
Yes, and I would say first of all, every part of the farewell was memorable for me. I mean, the juniors did a great job making it special for us. It was really, really, really amazing, and there was also some bittersweet memories because we're saying goodbye to Bhavans. But I remember the BOS competition; it was memorable for me. The photo shoots that I made with all my friends. Yeah, my farewell was really memorable and it was great.
The best thing happened when, like at the end of the day, when we had this realization that everything is done and you're going out of the college, you're starting a very, that serious life. At that point, I really didn't want to leave my friends and go home. I just wanted to be with them. The realization is like the best thing I had on that day. I took everything light before that, but after that thing, it was like really different. I got a little more close to all of them.
यार फेयरवेल का हर एक मेमोरी फॉन्ड मेमोरी है मेरे लिए, बट एक मेमोरी है जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा हम हरदम बात करते हैं, मैं और संजय, वो है व्हेन वी वर गिवन द मोस्ट कंपैटिबिलिटी अवार्ड। हमने पता नहीं क्या लिखा था वहाँ पे, जो भी लिखा था सच लिखा था, मैच कर गया यार, मिल गया। हाँ, वो भी शॉप में है कि यार हमको कैसे मिल सकता है।
Farewell was very nice. At least we had a farewell. But the thing was, like, in the entire academic year, in the final year, in any of the events we did not have DJ. But our farewell, on the last event, we did have DJ, and the entire college danced. The lecturers, everybody. It was really nice.
Cherishable moment is when Seema Ghosh ma'am and Shiva Trishul sir, they joined us dancing. The whole students were dancing on the day, in the last, and they joined us, and we had a lot of fun that moment. And yeah, I love that moment. I love it. And few of my juniors also, they made my day.
My whole farewell was a very nice memory, like very happy memory.
How this is how we just dressed, how we smart, like we wear saris and just everything. That's what I'll miss. I'll just miss Bhavans.
So many, especially my juniors మా కోసం perform చేసినప్పుడు, like all our favorite songs and everything. That was the best thing on that day. And not just the day of farewell, but before farewell, saree shopping and all, it was so nice, so memorable. I miss all that.
The whole La La Land setup, which was our farewell theme, and the heads dance, which we kind of messed up, but we really enjoyed it.
सारे दोस्तों को हंसते खेलते देखना, स्टेजेस पे परफॉर्म करना for one last time. And the best part about farewell, let us not forget this: girls in their Indian saris, boys in their best suits, gentlemen and ladies. भाई, इससे अच्छा विजुअल किसी को मिल सकता है क्या भवंस में? So बस यही था मेरे fond memories.
Every moment was like, wow, I love my farewell and I love you juniors, all the best.
I think there's a lot to cherish about it. One best thing was dancing on stage with my favorite people. So that's from favorites.
And yeah, I feel very sorry for you juniors because you guys are missing a lot. And yeah, let's hope for the best. I hope everything goes back to normal very soon. And yeah, peace out.
మన సెక్యూరిటీ అని వచ్చి పట్టుకున్నాడు, ఐడి కార్డ్స్ తీసుకున్నాడు, అంతే. ఇంక అప్పటి నుండి గేట్ జంప్ చేయలేదు.
I think that will do. Yes. Camera rolling and action. Hey guys, this is Yashwant AK.
एक फनी स्टोरी, जब मैं दीवार कूदा था ना, आई जस्ट व्हेन आई लैंडेड ऑन द ग्राउंड, मेरे सामने परवीन मैम खड़के थे, बट शी वॉज फेसिंग द अदर साइड. एज सून एज आई लैंडेड एंड आई सॉ हर कि परवीन मैम मेरे आगे, आई लिटरली लेड फ्लैट ऑन द ग्राउंड. आई बस ऐसे आई डिड नॉट वोक अप अंटिल परवीन मैम लेफ्ट.
Action.
I ragged my juniors and that was thing kada.
How did your first bunk go? Okay, I said.
फर्स्ट डे कॉलेज में यार बहुत अच्छा था. वैसे ही नॉर्मल डे, कुछ खास नहीं था ज़्यादा. ज़्यादा लोगों से मिला मैं, बहुत लोगों से मिला. ओके, टेक 2 ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. वैसे फर्स्ट डे तो उतना एक्साइटिंग नहीं था मेरे लिए. अच्छा था, इट वॉज जस्ट अ नॉर्मल डे.
हम लोग आते ही लेटते हैं तो हमें बंक असेंबली बंक करने का मौका कैसे मिलेगा? हम लोग तो पूरा दिन ही बंक हो जाता था, या आधा दिन बंक होता था, या 1 बजे के बाद आते थे. हमको ऐसे असेंबली बंक करने का मौका कभी भी नहीं मिला. इट वॉज हम लोग इधर थोड़ा जल्दी आके वो लेट कमर्स के लाइन में करते थे, या पूरा ही लेट आके कॉलेज के बाहर. बस यही था हम लोगों का असेंबली बंक करने का.
तो कुछ नहीं होता, बदलते हैं लोग. बदलाव बहुत जल्दी आ गया. ठीक है.
జస్ట్ నుంచున్నా అంతే. సుష్మా కైండ్.
जंप द वॉल तो यार बहुत बार किया है, बट पहली बार जब किया था तो बहुत ज़्यादा एडवेंचरस लगा मेरे को. तो मैं सोचा ठीक है अगले दिन भी किया जाए. अगले दिन किया तो सिक्योरिटी अंकल ने पकड़ लिया. फिर तो हुआ वही पंगे हुए, कैसे भी करके बाहर आ गए. ज़्यादा ही नहीं कुछ.